Hey guys, it's Itshlengy. I'm back again with another beautiful video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I turned my denim jean into a long skirt. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Itshlengy and I do fashion videos as well as skin and hair. So I'm going to be this is the jean that I used. It was very loose on my waist and I didn't like how it is, and then I turned it into a skirt. So yeah, let's start. I'm going to be using a scissors to cut all the way from down. Today I'm going to be opening up these jeans to create the skirt. Trust me guys, this process is very short and it's very easy. So I'm just opening up my jeans, and I'm gonna cut all the way from the back. I'm gonna cut everything, and I'm going to cut the whole back just to adjust my waist, because the jeans was very loose on my waist. So I'm going to adjust there. So now I'm going to pin down where I'm going to sew these jeans. So I've been seeing pictures of people posting wearing these denim long skirt jeans. I think Zara, they sell it, so I just decided to make my own. So now I'm just cutting out and I'm going to sew, but I'm not going to show you that process because I'm going to be using my hands and it's going to be long. If you are enjoying this video, make sure to subscribe and like for the YouTube algorithm. So now I'm going to be sewing. This is the back part. Okay, now I'm just going to sew the back. I've just adjusted my waist, and hopefully this time it's going to tighten me, not to be loose. Okay, now I'm just going to sew the front, and I want my skirt to have a slit. So this is, I haven't sewed it, so this is how the skirt is going to look like, but it's super long, so I'm just gonna adjust it when I have time. I definitely love the final product, so this is how it looks like. And yeah, leave a heart if you like this video, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.